Hi, I'm Guy Mawson from the UK team. I'm one of the technicians over there, and this is our stand. Here at Lindy we've got a rather large AV solution. We're focusing around matrix products as well as IP, so we've combined the two to make this video wall that's in 4 different locations on our booth. We've got 4 media players which all feed into our new 8x8 matrix, which is fully seamless. It's got video wall scaling, it's got scaling per port and full system management. This allows you to route any of your 8 inputs into any of the 8 outputs, as well as configure these as video walls. So we've got active cables which can go up to 30 meters, or we've got 100 meter fiber versions, and these run all the way to one of our solutions on the wall, which is a 2x2 video wall on the right hand side. We then have a flexible video wall which feeds from the matrix, and this allows you to create video walls in any shape you can think of, so any configuration of displays on a wall in any orientation, and this allows you to do it. We're feeding this into 4 HDMI extenders which run 50 meters over Cat6, and these support full HDMI 2.0 18 gig of bandwidth. They're also PoE, so you don't need to worry about power at the other end. So that is our windmill shape at the 3rd video wall across. We then have a new fiber optic extender, and this will run 300 meters over low-cost LC cable. For this, it's USB powered. You can power it off a TV, for example, and it runs full 4K HDMI 2.0, and we've got a single display in zone 2. We then have our IP solution, which is running 2 ports out of the matrix and goes into our 2 transmitters. These support up to 4K at 30 Hz and go into a gigabit network switch. We have an additional 2 video sources which are running our other 2 transmitters. These 4 transmitters are connected to a controller which allows you to see all of the devices within the network and control it from a single point. We're feeding this to 4 receivers which can be used independently or in a multicast scenario, and that's doing currently a 2x2 video wall on the corner solution. All of this can be controlled using a touch panel. So we've got software for our 8x8 matrix, which is fully seamless and allows you to switch any of the inputs at a touch of a button. We then have the IP side of things. This can be drag and dropped, so you can take a source and drag it on and it will change the video wall at the top left there. It shows you the 4 transmitters that we've got connected, as well as our 4 receivers and the video wall zone that we've pre-configured. You can also create preset video walls. You can create groups and control this using a nice and simple web GUI. If you need any more information, you can visit us at lindy.com. Thanks.